look at that leg room. Welcome to another CX934 video. Today I'll be reviewing Cathay Pacific CX934 from Manila to Hong Kong in the Airbus A350-1000. Cathay Pacific uses Terminal 3 at NERA at Manila. Check-in queues were long, but check-in agents were surprisingly fast and efficient. Oh, I'm just flying economy, not premium economy. Security and immigration was surprisingly fast and efficient. After that, it was time for massage, which is 300 pesos for 15 minutes or 50 Hong Kong dollars. But I chose 1 hour. I forgot the price, sorry. So the 1 hour massage is a bad idea. Before boarding the flight, it's already final call, so we have to rush. So there's my plane. Welcome on board Cathay Pacific seat 69K. So here you have this thing. Here's like a phone stand. This is when an Airbus A350-1000 and I am really excited.
Ouais. Quelqu'un a vu où on mettait le casque?
And the front view camera. The seats on the Airbus A350-1000 are different to the ones on the 900.
Departure with all ground personnel, please leave the aircraft now. Thank you.
Because of the Hong Kong government, we were given these.
Déjà, j'ai démonté la tablette toute la journée.
That is a really comfortable.
Once again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Cathay Pacific and my team,
Wow, she just interrupted me. That is a really comfortable headrest and a generous recline.
with Cathay Dragon. To our Marco Polo Club members, it's a pleasure to...
So boarding has been completed. And I have the whole road to myself. It's a FLATBED.
Looking forward to making your journey a pleasant and comfortable one. And when the no mobile sign is on, personal electronic devices must be switched off or set to airplane mode until the no mobile sign is turned off. And ladies and gentlemen, please have your attention for the safety demonstration. Thank you.
When you begin your journey, we're here to make the experience effortlessly smooth and enjoyable. Because your safety is important to us, please take a few minutes to watch our video.
用幾分鐘留意呢段短片，因為你嘅安全對我哋嚟講係好重要，放喺行李櫃裡面。
One thing I don't like about the Airbus A350 is there are no personal air vents, but rather, air here is centralized, so it's okay.
You can place any small items underneath the seat in front of you. 你可以將細件嘅物件放喺前面嘅座位下。
There's Wi-Fi, but unfortunately, it isn't free.
Is against the load. 如果有需要，
It's
我
good
哋
that
嘅
there
機
is a
艙服務
USB.
員會提供。
Seat pitch is 32 inches, which is comfortable for me. That's the headphone jack. And underneath is a universal socket. Sorry, I can't show it to you properly, but it is down there. It's between two seats.
For departure and cross checks. Thank you.
to Cathay Pacific Airbus A350-1000 lavatory. I find this lavatory quite huge, better than the average ones. Maybe just a little bit of mess over here, and also the floor is quite sticky. If you notice why I have the room to myself, a lot of seats are empty. The plane's like a little more than half full because of the latest coronavirus case, which is having an impact on all airlines around the world. I came to the Philippines using Philippine Airlines on their Airbus A350, and Philippine Airlines cancelled all the flights, so I had no choice but to take Cathay Pacific. What I've noticed here is also nice. I like this feature. So here's dinner. As this is a short flight, there's only one option: pork with rice. For drinks, there's only water. You can't choose a drink. The pork with rice, it's really good.
I'm living for today, 'cause it's not over. I'm living for today, 'cause it's not over.
If you're choosing a flight between Hong Kong and Manila, choose a night flight. You will get dinner. On a day flight, you would get only a snack.
I'm living for today, 'cause it's not over. I'm living for today.
Have you ever had a flatbed in economy? If the flight's empty, who needs business? Who needs first? When you can have a flatbed in economy.
'Cause it's not over. I'm living for today, 'cause it's not over. It's not over.
What else to say about this flight? I mean, the A350-1000, it has much more engine power than on the smaller 900 version. Kind of like the C1000, like the Airbus A350-900 Cathay's. The seats are quite slim. Unlike this one, get much more comfort. Do you like mood lighting on an aircraft? Comment down below.
with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned on arrival. It has been a pleasure looking after you, and we hope to see you again soon. On behalf of Captain Ian Calton and the entire team, thank you for flying Cathay Pacific, a member of the One World Alliance. Cabin crew, doors for arrival and cross checks. Thank you.
Oh, it's good to be back home.